It's March in 2020. Remember, every time before you throw a brand new airplane that you just made, take a video of it in case you never see it again. This Flite Test Explorer is an old design of theirs. It is a big wing. It is the biggest one I've ever made. 54 inches, I believe it is. This is the trainer wing. It has polyhedral. It swings a 9-inch prop on their brand new radial motor for the C-Pack. You kidding me?
Settling in on 50% throttle here.
Later on, I may say this was a bad idea. Nothing lasts forever, so. Ay, caramba. All right. Is that a GoPro Hero 7 Black on the front of an airplane you've flown with 1.5 batteries so far? Yes. Is it being held on there with rubber bands, it looks like? Maybe. Is the GPS turned on? Yes. Does the balance feel good? Yeah. I guess it's full sand. Oh, shit. I guess that wasn't so bad, huh? All right, Flite Test Explorer, Maiden's out of the way. And a little GoPro action even. Oh, speaking of, GoPro stopped recording. Of course you didn't listen. GoPro stopped recording.